is this is a kazoo. A kazoo is an instrument. I think the little plastic sheet is vibrating inside of the kazoo, which is making a sound. And so when we make our kazoo, we need something that vibrates. Wax paper. To make a kazoo, you will need a cardboard tube, and you need wax paper and the rubber band, and then that kind of seals it on there. Then you just make sound. You don't blow, because when you blow, then the thing just comes off. You have to make sound into it with your voice. This wax paper is vibrating. I feel the vibration, and it like tickled. We made our own designs. I made a rainbow, and then I wrapped it around this tube. My tube was already white, so I could just color directly onto the tube.
We're gonna make our own music.
You can make some really cool sounds.
I think it's amazing.
You can also watch full episodes and play Pinkalicious and Peter Pick games anytime on the PBS Kids video and games apps.